with whatever comes in her way. A woman in herself is a full circle and complete within herself. She has inside her the potency to fight for whatever is right. Her strength. I'd like to illustrate this with a short, interesting story. There was a worm egg in the nest of an eagle which was about to hatch. And then a farmer who lived nearby took out the egg and kept it with his hen's eggs, which were also about to hatch. And after quite some time, that got hatched and they started following their mother and tried as much as to be the way their mother was. The point here to note is that the baby eagle never knew that it was from eagle's family, though their mother had realized the eagle's different behavior, but she never acknowledged it. One day, the baby eagle saw an eagle flying powerfully high into the sky, and it was amazed at the strength she was possessing and wished to be an eagle in the next birth so as to have such unwavering strength. The baby eagle never realized its strength because it always believed that it belonged to the hen's family. So the gist of the story says that we women are the baby eagles, born to an eagle's family, not knowing that we possess the same strength as to that of the eagle's family. So I feel we should evaluate and realize our strengths and properly utilize the same. International Women's Day, 8th March, is a global day celebrating the social, economic, cultural and political achievements of women. The day also marks a call to action for accelerating gender parity. Our individual actions, conversations, behaviors and mindsets can have an impact on the society at large. Collectively, we can make change happen. Together, we can each help to create a gender equal world. We can all choose to be each for equal. Women, since time immemorial, had powers to bring a change. Women fought with all odds to emerge as a winner. History is replete with examples of courageous women like Rani Lakshmibai, Indira Gandhi, Helen Keller, and so on. Today, the society is changing and paving way for the growth of the women. The changes can be seen in all the fields, may it be education, healthcare, science, or technology. The new decade has seen a marked change in attitude towards women at large. Women have made strides in every field and emerged on the top. Today, I'll take this opportunity to share important takeaways about women from our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi's speech when he was addressing National Women Legislators Conference. First, nation is always empowered by women. It is she who nurtures a citizen as a mother, a sister in his childhood, and later in his life as wife. These empowered citizens eventually make an empowered country. Second, multitasking. Multitasking is a specialty in managerial world, but women are the best on the earth in handling numerous tasks at a time. In fact, our women have been multitasking since ages. And their efforts have contributed a lot in bringing our country at this level. Third, you will recognize your strength only when you encounter a challenge. Our women must use the challenges they face to empower themselves. Fourth, women have higher success ratio despite the fewer opportunities they get in comparison to themselves and their strengths and feel confident about it. Now, I'll end my welcome note here with a short verse. Woman, we are more, so much more than we ever thought. Yes, we were created helpmeet, but we marveled their expectations. Our strength is overwhelming. We bring things back to life. No efforts needs proving. There are evidences to our presence. Every day is another job for us, no matter the age. Under pressure, duress, fear, shame, neglect, pain, insults, bad and happy times. We listen. We try to understand, support, show amazing care and availability. Plus, we deliver outstandingly because we were born to do this. Hats off to you, women.